Alright boys, welcome back to another episode here. Before we get started, check out last video upload where I was ripping on my buddy's Subaru BRZ. We also did the brake change for him on that one, so go check that out. Definitely a fun episode and gets me really excited to build a 500 horsepower Saab. Enjoy. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Pancis. If it's your first time tuning in, please smash the subscribe button. If not, thanks for your continued support. Today we are doing the last task needed for the TurboX to make it back to 100% full functioning, and that is the tires. Obviously the tires here, this tire is like barely holding air. You can see that there is like zero tread left on that. And here's the passenger side. So getting the tires done and getting the alignment finished up on it. You can check this out. These tires are cracking here. So they've definitely seen better days. So we're gonna hop in the car and take this over to the shop, get it taken care of. See, there you go. There's your tire pressure on the right side. 67,000 miles, 225. So this car has seen those tires, probably the second pair of tires this car's ever had. So let's go put the third on. So while we're driving it over there, the car is getting an alignment, fresh tires, and it should be good. The car runs fairly smooth. Obviously anything under like 50 miles an hour, it's pretty smooth. 60 miles an hour since these tires are shot. So the rims are definitely in good shape. So once we get these tires put on and mounted, this thing is probably going to be smooth as silk. Because like I said, things are already pretty smooth. So get some fresh tread on there. It's going to be like a brand new car.
You want to put this in there so you can see it?
Yeah. Alright boys, here's the tires we're putting on there. 235, 45. Bridgestone tires all season. So he was just explaining to me that these grooves here in the tread will be good in the wintertime for suction and traction. So nice fresh set of rubber for this TurboX here. I don't know, Saab decided to use a very odd sized tire for the TurboX, so they're very expensive to replace and obviously hard to get good tires for. So you got to go to a special shop for it to get the tires in, or if you're ordering it online, you're gonna see that just in general the prices for the TurboX tires are gonna be more expensive than the average tire size. So there you go guys. All right boys, we're picking up the car. Everybody there is super excited about these tires. So for the gentleman that's pending sale on this TurboX, you're getting amazing tires evidently. You know, Bridgestone I know is a good tire. So here it is, fresh rubber. Looking good. Very nice. Changes the whole appearance of the car when you don't have leftover paint and markings all over it. Pretty sweet. Oh man. Look at how close they are. That drives me crazy. What is going on, boys? Alright. Hell yeah, brother. Let's check it out. So very expensive tires, unfortunately, but it is what it is. And here's the results for the alignment, and you can see that we were off on every four corners here, every area, but that's normal on a car, especially after driving it 30,000 miles. You know, who knows how long those tires were on there for. So we're all set. Looks good, smells good too. Let's hop in and do this. Woo! says the front's low, but obviously it's not. They just freaking put tires on, so I'll just double check with them before I leave. Oh baby. Alright, I can already tell off the bat the car's driving much straighter and not as funky either, so that's cool. We got fresh rubber, boys. The tire light went off. That was just immediate, literally 2 seconds, so that's good. Just needed to relearn the pressures, and let's get this thing on the highway, so I'll see you over there. All right, boys, here we go. What a beautiful car. So excited that this thing is now complete with tires. Freshly paved highways, thanks to COVID. All right. Look at that good windshield protectant we got on there. Here we go. Smooth sailing. This thing is super smooth. Doing 90 miles an hour. This is Mexico, not Jersey. Alright. Smooth, very smooth. As you can see from the steering wheel, the car is really nice, so I'll leave you guys off on that. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. We got some plans. I found a car for the project Saab that we're working on, and just waiting another week or so before I can get up there and check out the car, so that's good. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on, doing some research on the build. We're still working on this performance build, so stay tuned for that, and follow me at Kyle Pancis if you guys need anything, comments, questions, concerns. Happy to help you. So that's it, boys. I'll see you next time. Alright, boys, be sure to definitely stay tuned for the next episode, because we just wrapped up this TurboX, and it looks like it's for sure going to be sold. I'll know more next week. But the next episode coming up live will be us delivering the Saab 9.5 that was purchased back in February that we finished. Due to COVID, we had a little bit of a delay in delivery, so be sure to check that out, and stay tuned for more. We have some plans in the works here, so kind of figuring out a route, and really look forward to sharing the rest of this with you guys. So like I said, be sure to stay tuned, give this video a like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you soon.